Not so long ago, we traveled to Switzerland with our then 1 year and 10 months old toddler. It was a perfect 2-week holiday for us exploring the Swiss Alps. At Bort right now, so there's a huge playground here with a nice view of the mountain, and I can see Jens from afar while drinking cola. Bad thing about having a baby is that you cannot really drink alcohol because you need to be alert, make sure nothing happens. He's immediately playing with the water. Baby! Jens! And yes, that's our innocent-looking daredevil, who is such a joy to look at if you've been following our travels. Just right behind me is the cable car, the gondola ride. That's us here in the Swiss Alps. Bye! One of the highlights was staying on the mountains of Grindelwald First for 6 days at 2,168 meters above sea level. Watch out for another mountain adventure very soon in our YouTube channel. Bye!